At si Ate Shaira, Female Makabata Star Awardee sa Anak TV Seal Awards 2024.
Maraming salamat, Anak TV!
I Believe!
Takam na sila. Leche flan ko with Alaska. Wala nang iba. May totoong gatas kaya bumabalot ang creamy sarap.
Yeah?
Ngayong Pasko, wala pa rin tatalo sa alagang Alaska mo.
Dok, lapit na ako.
Ang bawat biyahe ko, Dok, para makapagtapos si Maki.
Papa, vitamins mo!
Katulong mo ang Centrum Advance. May mas maraming nutrients complete from A to zinc. Tulong para malakas ang puso, matibay ang resistensya, alaga ang mata, at buong katawan.
Ihahatid kita sa pangarap mo.
Centrum Advance, alagang di magkukulang. Nido Jr. For toddlers 1 year old, 2 years old, and up to 3 years old. With probiotics and DHA. Nido Jr.
The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health.
Rebecca?
You are being accused of kidnapping.
Ibalik mo yung mga anak ko! Ako na yung sana yung mga anak ko! Ibalik mo!
Kumain ka.
Order!
Ibalik mo yung anak ko!
Widow's War na mayagpag sa noontime noon versus OPM Hitmaker.
Neo Colors! Naiinis ka pag matagal itong gawin ng iyong girlfriend. Mag-sorry.
Palagi ito yan yung number 2.
Family Feud.
Wala akong dapat na. Kung meron man may tinatago dito, kayo ni Ina yun. What are you talking about?
Is there something going on between you and Ina?
What happened to you?
I mean, please.
Ina, I want to see you again.
Shining Inheritance.
Sabi ni Coach, mag-retire na ako pag pangit performance ko. Ano?
Isa lang ang tatawaging pinakamagaling. Diva, Huwebes, 9:30 a.m. sa Kapuso Movie Festival.
Ang Bear Brand Junior 1 Plus, 195 pesos lang ang 400 grams. Also available in 2.4 kilograms. The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health. Bear Brand Junior 1 Plus.
Pinaya mo ako! Ang baho mo!
Mabango naman pagkalaba.
Mag-Tide na! Sa iba, may natirang dumi na natatakpan lang ng bango. Sa Tide, tagos ang linis.
Bango!
Tide, tagos linis kaya true bango.
Milo, energy to bring out the champion in every Filipino.
Try Palmolive Naturals. Amoy usok? Use Palmolive. Amoy araw? Palmolive pa rin. With 100% natural coconut cream. May long-lasting bango. Para ang buhok, di lang maganda. Aba maganda.
Nido Jr. For toddlers 1 year old, 2 years old, and up to 3 years old. With probiotics and DHA. Nido Jr.
The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Step into My World, a limited series starring and produced by yours truly. Madaming chika, madaming travels, at madaming drama. But of course, who doesn't love drama? I'm really tired.
Our World, Saturday, 9:30 p.m. on GMA.
Dapat nandito si Jordan.
Lahat ng may kinalaman sa pagkamatay ni Mama, paghihigantihan ko. Kaya ako nanonood ka, Shaira. Bilang na ang oras mo. Kumanda ka sa araw ng panininip.
Asawa ng asawa ko. Ang susi sa pagkatao ni Rambo.
Swerte ka kasi meron kang tatay na katulad ni Sir Albert.
Makikilala ni Albert.
Magkapareha sila ng necklace ni Rambo.
Forever Young, weekdays, 4 p.m.
Is this what you meant by taking risk?
Yes.
You got this.
Okay. Bakit hindi mo na lang pina-career? Pinick up mo pa.
Di siya marunong nun.
Sa GMA Blockbusters at Regal Studio presents.
Sino nang bato sa akin? Walang iba kundi ang mahuhusay na Guardians of Dreams, Jackie!
Show me!
Isama na sa aksyon at saya tuwing Sabado ng umaga. All new Jackie Chan Adventure. Saturdays 9 a.m. sa GMA.
Nido Jr. For toddlers 1 year old, 2 years old, and up to 3 years old. With probiotics and DHA. Nido Jr.
The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health.
Pasko na!
Oras na para mag-magic!
Ano man ang handaan, all-in-one ang kailangan.
Maggie Magic Sarap. All-in-one sa sangkap. Pampasarap. Ano mang handa ngayong Pasko, gawing magical.
First day taping!
Pero may last day ng buhok.
Sunsilk with Active Infusion. A blend of oils, vitamins, and proteins para all-day smooth ang hair na may bangong nakakagigil. Walang makakapigil. Action! Sunsilk with Active Infusion.
Do treatments really help to brighten your skin? Vaseline Gluta-Hya Serum Burst Lotion combines Gluta-Glow and Hyaluron with 10 times the power of vitamin C. Get a visibly dewy glow in 5 days. Vaseline Gluta-Hya Serum Burst Lotion. Ang Bear Brand Junior 1 Plus, 195 pesos lang ang 400 grams. Also available in 2.4 kilograms. The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health. Bear Brand Junior 1 Plus.